US Bank Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. Are you considering US Bank for your banking needs in 2024? Whether you're opening a checking account, looking for credit cards, or exploring loans, understanding its strengths and weaknesses is essential. Let's break it down. Most people get this wrong by assuming all big banks are the same. The surprising truth about US Bank is that it blends national reach with localized customer service, which is rare among large financial institutions. They offer over 30 branches and 4,800 ATMs nationwide, making access easy for most users. One of the biggest pros is their diverse account options. From simple checking and savings accounts to specialty accounts like student or retirement savings, US Bank caters to different financial goals. The mobile banking app is highly rated, offering bill pay, mobile deposits, Zelle transfers, and spending insights. For those who travel frequently, their partnership with Global at Networks ensures lower fees abroad. US Bank also shines with credit card offerings. They provide rewards, cashback, and business credit cards with competitive offers and flexible redemption options. Personal loans and mortgages are widely available, with clear terms and online application processes. However, there are some cons. Fees can be higher than online-only banks, especially if you don't maintain minimum balances. Some users report that customer service wait times can be long during peak hours, and interest rates on savings accounts are lower than what you'd find at digital banks. Additionally, while their app is robust, certain features like budgeting tools may not be as advanced as specialized financial apps. In conclusion, US Bank in 2024 is a solid choice if you value a combination of physical branches, reliable online banking, and a broad range of financial products. It's not the cheapest option, but it provides convenience, trustworthiness, and accessibility that many digital banks can't match. If having both in-person and mobile banking is important to you, US Bank deserves serious consideration.